How to fix Ghost Touch on iOS 14 version. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Genie Guide. In today's video I'll give you a couple of tips on how you can fix if you've been having the Ghost Touch issue, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Before we get on to how we can fix this, you have to understand what is Ghost Touch in the first place. Ghost Touch basically means a random taps on your iPhone's home screen whenever it's just at maximum brightness or low battery. Your iPhone is just going to get mad all of a sudden and it's just going to keep tapping itself over and over again. In most of the cases, a simple software update could fix the issue, and sometimes even the update could have been the problem. So if you've updated your iPhone recently and it was the iPhone, Apple did not pay enough attention to it, that could be one of the reasons why you could be having this issue at all. So in order to solve this, there are actually a couple of things that you could actually do. The very first thing you want to do is you have to quickly restart it. So if it's just ghost touching, you want to simply force restart it by quickly pressing volume up and down buttons and pressing the sound buttons. Or else what you can also do is simply press volume down buttons as well as power button in this case, and then you'll find the option called slide to power off. You want to make sure to quickly power it off and then make sure to fix the problem, because sometimes that might as well help you solve the issue of Ghost Touch. And if that doesn't help, then what you want to do is simply open up settings, and then once you come to settings, in this case go to the option called general and just tap on software update from the top, and then just check if there is any type of update available. If it does, then make sure to definitely update it to the latest version, because updating will also help you fix most of the bugs and errors. If that doesn't help, last but not the least, sometimes the problem could be with your chipset. So it's not anything with your screen and so on. The problem could be with your motherboard or your chipset, and anything else. For that case, I just recommend you to take to a nearby local repair shop to see what the problem really is. So hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.